another episode of Usapang Insurance. I'm Laarni Tagalog. I'm an independent insurance advisor helping you understand your insurance better. For today's episode, pag-uusapan po natin 4 reasons why you should use the service of an insurance advisor. Alam po natin na with insurance, you can get your insurance online, you can just buy your insurance online, and you can do that by yourself if you want to DIY your insurance. But why you should not do that, but instead use the service of an insurance advisor. Now, let's go straight ahead to the video. Top one reason. First reason, insurance advice is free. So the service that we provide is actually free. And you may ask, okay, so it's free, then who pays you? So we go through with you the process. We recommend then afterwards which company you will be more suitable, and then that company will pay us. So that's how it works. It's not you who's going to pay for a service, but instead it's the insurance company. So why not use the expert advice from an insurance advisor for free, right? And for most of us, or for all of us rather, cost is always a factor. So that's actually a biggest reason why you should use the service of an insurance advisor, because libre po ang advice nila. And for everything we always go to the expert, right? If we have a leaking sink, who do we call? A plumber. If we need immigration advice, who do we call? Immigration advisor. So for your insurance needs, for your insurance advice, insurance advisor will be able to help you for free. So second reason why you should use the service of an insurance advisor, it's because there is a process that we go through. And I always say this, insurance is not a one-size-fits-all, right? You have to be assessed. You have to, an insurance advisor will go through with you the process, gather all your information, make recommendations according to your needs, right? You will not be able to get that service if you're just doing it all yourself online. You will not understand what you are covered, right? You will not understand if tama ba itong mga cover na kinuha mo. How would you benefit that? How will that help you in the future? So an insurance advisor will explain to you. An insurance advisor will tailor all your needs, all your family's needs, what will be your priority as a family, and all that. There is a process, and it's quite actually a very good way to also understand, because as an insurance advisor, we help you explain, these are the covers, what will be your priorities. We can even help you tailor the budget, then that's very important, because the cost, the inflation is rising. So we will work with you, right? According to your budget, we will help you prioritize. So you will not be able to get that if you're just doing it by yourself. Third reason why you should use the service of an insurance advisor, because our service does not end from the time you get your insurance policy in place. But I have to put a little disclaimer here, because I can only talk for myself. I understand that I have met a lot of clients whom the service of an insurance advisor ended when their insurance policies have been put in place, and then the insurance advisor just disappeared. And it happens. I have met a lot of clients who had that very bad experience. But a good insurance advisor will actually service your insurance policies while it's in force, which means we go through a review. We go through a yearly review. Whenever your circumstances change, we have to also check if you have an exclusions. For example, you were a smoker rate from the start, so you're paying a bit more. And then after 12 months, you've stop smoking, so we can now change you or request to the insurance company to change you to a non-smoker rate so that you can save in your premium. So another example is when you took the insurance policy, there might be an exclusion because you had a back sprain or you had a hand sprain, things like that. We go through with you and check, and then request if we can remove that exclusion, right? So no matter how long you have that insurance policy, so while it's in force, we go through or we service your insurance. So it's a long-term relationship we are building here. And I'm so sorry to hear that there's clients I have met who did not have that good experience with the insurance advisor. So, but it's part of the service. A good insurance advisor will continue to provide their service while your insurance policies are in force. Fourth reason, this is very important. I cannot stress it enough. If you have an insurance advisor, they will help you during claim time. Again, I have to probably just quote and quote here, a good insurance advisor will help you during claim time. Why do I have to say that again? Because not all insurance advisors will help you during claim time. And I'm saying this from the experience of other people that I have met. I have met a lot of clients who did not have this experience from the insurance advisor. The insurance advisor just disappeared after they have the insurance policy in place. So a good insurance advisor will help you during claim time, right? You during this stressful time, and this is very important because that is what insurance is for. When you can make a claim if you need it, when you can make a claim in this difficult situation, when you're sick or when you can't work because you had an injury, or you're sick, things like that. That is a very stressful time. But a good insurance advisor will help you, support you during claim time, will work through with you and make it a less stress for you during this difficult time. So fifth one, I thought I'll add a fifth one. How can you find a good insurance advisor? Well, there's a few ways that you can do that. You asked around, right? You might have friends who had a good insurance advisor. You can ask them and see what their experience was with their insurance advisor, or what their experience is with their insurance advisor. Or you can even, a good one is Pinoy NZ. A lot of our kababayans are subscribing or following in Pinoy NZ, and they recommend a lot of people, not just insurance advisor, all services that you may need, all questions, you can always go there. And they have, particularly for insurance advisor, they've recommended a lot of insurance advisor, a lot of good insurance advisors. So go check, and I hope you will find a good insurance advisor that will work with you, that will build this long-term relationship with you while your insurance policies are in force. So I hope that helps. I hope that helps everyone. I hope that helps everyone. For those who doesn't have any insurance yet, don't hesitate to contact an insurance advisor. It's free. The service is free. And because I have to put that out there, because I still get messages like, how much do you charge per hour? How much do you charge per session? It's free po. So take advantage of that service. Get an expert advice about your insurance from an insurance advisor. Thank you so much again, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!